Today we're in Littleton, Colorado in the Deer Creek neighborhood looking at homes by Cardel Homes. These are paired homes, low maintenance, and just because they're paired homes doesn't mean they're not fabulous. I love this house. The decorating is amazing. Stay tuned, check it out for yourself. Welcome inside. So love the two-story foyer in here. Great welcome to the home. Let's take a jaunt over this way. First thing that we come to is the secondary bedroom, nice and big, lots of windows, and it has a fabulous ensuite bathroom. Alrighty. Coming back out this way, we're gonna find the powder bathroom. A little nook here, they put a desk, love that. Right over here, you're gonna find your laundry room and the entrance in from the garage. And then it opens up into the main living space. And you can see the railing heading down to the basement. We'll be going down there in just a minute, but boom. Okay, like I said, love the decorating. It's so fresh in here, but you're here for the floor plan, right? Let's check out the floor plan. Island, we have the sink and dishwasher and microwave in the island here. Good amount of countertop space and cabinets, and there is a pantry here. Coming back over this way is the dining room space. Double slider doors leading out onto a little outdoor patio space, and then into the great room. Love the great room. Ceilings are really high in here. In the model, they put in a fabulous fireplace. Just a beautiful room altogether. Once again, it's that decorating that's getting me. It's so fresh in here. Back this way, we come into the primary suite. Great big windows looking out towards the little backyard space there. And into the primary bathroom. Shower. Across from that is a nice size double sink vanity. Private toilet closet and a walk-in closet there at the end of the bathroom. So that does it for the main floor. We're gonna head back this way and check out that basement. So the first thing that I'm greeted with in the basement is this nice little bar area. And over this way, we're gonna find a nice bonus room space. Do a TV area, game room, whatever is best for you and your family. Over this way is just some under the stairs storage, linen closet. And right across from that linen closet is where you're gonna find a really nice sized basement bedroom. The door at the end of the hall leads to storage, and if you take a left right here, you will find a bathroom. Again, my name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. If you'd be interested in these homes, give me a call. I'd love to help you save some money, negotiate on the price. I do a closing cost credit on the purchase of new built homes, and you know, they have some great incentives out here as well. So great place to get a home, save a little bit of money. Give me a call. And of course, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my home tours. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.